The next online tool that we're going to shift our focus on is called the Perez. Now, present, share, and collaborate. Now, once you go on Google, type in Perez, put in your email address, create a password, you're able to use a free version. Now, it comes up and you are able to navigate to choose what presentation style you'd want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create a lesson plan. Now, even though it says create a lesson plan, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to be creating a lesson plan. So I am going to choose my presentation style. So I choose this. After which, I'm going to click use this template. I give it a name. Who can see this presentation? Anyone on the web? And I click continue. Now it takes a little time to load. After it loads, you are going to go on my presentation. So you click whatever it is that you want to put in my presentation. Now, if you don't have a subtitle, you can go ahead and delete. Gives you that option. All right. Over here, we have where you can download images. You can use images that are already there. So, for example, we're looking on soil, erosion, and I don't want the subtitle, so I can delete that. Now I go to topic 1 and I am able to type what is it that I am going to be looking on for topic 1. So for topic 1, I'm going to look on what is soil erosion. And similarly, why you choose your style, I go to topic 2 and I choose again. What is it that I am going to be looking on? So if I'm going to be looking on the causes of soil erosion, and I do the same, and I do the same here. Now, I have the option too of aligning them, fitting them how I want to fit them. And it also gives you the option of undo. I don't need, say for example, I don't need 4 circles because I have the option of deleting, and then I have the option of selecting how I want it to be selected. Next, I would go. So you come to the side, and the side is what gives you an overview. So I am going to go to topic 1. Now, remember, you have to type topic 1 again because we're going to be looking on what is soil erosion. Then whatever information now that we want to put here, we go ahead, we can enlarge it. If we don't want this style, we can go ahead, choose the style of writing that we want. So you would start by putting in what is soil erosion in the box. So you type. And you continue. After which you go back again and you can always choose what is it that you want. So you continue and it will take you to topic 2. You put in what you want into topic 2 and you continue the process. Remember, you have the option of going to the side, choosing pictures that you want, and editing. Have the picture of going back. So what I have done, I have actually created a video in Perez using nouns, so you can go ahead and use it. After which you click, after you have insert pictures or whatever you want to insert, you go ahead and click on share. It says that you can either do your presentation, view the link, collaborate, live Perez, and you choose what is it that you